Hello! Welcome back again to my channel, our channel of Tatino, Lia B and Tatino. That's why I use always our, because we are two, Iyo and Tatino. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Shout out this video. I have to shout out only. And I hope you enjoy watching this video, even this is not very nice. I show you the fish pan of the Duke of Modena. This is a Duke Garden Palace, in front of the palace of the Duke, Modena, Italy. So there are many pigeons, especially pigeons. I make this video because for Puma 33, my nephew, he loves pigeons because before he have many pigeons, and so that's why I make this video for him. And to shout out also to all my friends, to all YouTuber that supporting my YouTube channel. Even my YouTube channel videos are not nice enough, but they are supporting, they are watching, especially shorts videos. There are many watching my shorts videos. And then now I shout out Puma 33 from Indonesia. Please support him, guys. And shout out my niece from Japan. And please support her, guys. Sine WH. She is a Mystic LM La Montaña. And then my shout out to Sitiin, my son in Indonesia. Shout out to Ahmad Al Medina, his beautiful girlfriend. Heart, beautiful heart. Shout out. Shout out to all members. I have so many members. Thank you for Puma 33. I have more than 50 members. And shout out to 4 or 5 nagpa-members sa akin since from the beginning. Shout out, thank you very much for your support to me since from the beginning. And I tell you now, I don't have anyone pinamemberan ko. Because why? This is important. I tell some many times in my life this, but there's nobody in my life. So I tell now here that kahit isa, even one, hindi ako napamember. Because number one, I cannot afford to members all my friends. I have so many friends, so I can afford 5 or 10, something like that. But the others, how come? So parang patas, no one akong napamemberan. And palipad lang ako kung sinong pwedeng paliparan ko, ganun, na palipad back yung nagbibigay sa akin. And so, at the beginning, yun lang. Ngayon, marami na akong members. Hindi ko kilala because of Puma 33. He gives me mini gift card. So, that's why. And shout out to Biswil Brets. Thank you, Biswil Brets, for your help since from the beginning. And without you from the beginning, no one give me 10 pounds for my PIN number. So I never forget. Never forget. and you support my channel. You gave me some many times palipad, and that's why 2 times a year I can get my salary 2 times a year before, because of your support, also others support. And so thank you very much. I have to this video thankful. So I came back to Puma 33. Thank you very much with your help to Tita, with your love and care to Tita. Thank you, guys. And thank you. God bless us all. And remain blessed. Today is Sunday. I will pray for you, everybody. Thank you. Only thank you I can give and pray. Okay. Love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.